We have heard from many successful people in the world what passion is. In essence, whoever finds passion in what they do, or rather do what they are passionate about, will inspire and motivate people around them. Let's observe how passion is a key component of the culture of the transformational leader, as well as how passion can be replaced and how we can start living with passion. The American business executive Jack Welch, who was the chairman and CEO of one of the world's largest corporations, General Electric, believes that the world will belong to passionate, driving leaders, people who not only have enormous amount of energy, but who can energize those who they lead. John Walsh is one of the most successful industrial leaders of the modern age, who was able to increase the market value of GE from 12 billion to 410 billion, and who was called by Fortune magazine manager of the century. For Welch, the formula of success people is simple. Actually, this was a formula that he applies with the people that he would like to have in his organization. He was looking for people with energy, people able to energize others, people with edge, with execution and passion. Passion is an essential element in the culture of the transformational leader. It's what allows these leaders to possess inspirational motivation. Their enthusiasm and optimism are more than evident. Allow them to envision attractive future states for them and all the people that are close to them. Passion is that incredible force that keeps us going when others quit. That force that becomes contagious and influences others to follow us, that it pushes us through the toughest of times and give us energy we didn't even know we possess. When people decide to follow their passion, it makes all the difference. Passion fills them with energy and desire, giving them that amazing, deep desire to win everything that they want to accomplish. Passion goes above and beyond opportunity. Great opportunities may open the door, but the journey is often long and full of challenges. Without passion that sustains when times get harsh, people don't make the most of their opportunities and they end up not reaching their potential. It's definitely more than knowledge. Being smart doesn't make someone a leader with influence. As Jack Welch explained, people with resumes filled with degrees and different disciplines made them bright and intellectually curious. Yet, they often turn out to be unfocused doublers, unwilling to commit, lacking intensity and passion. Passion goes above and beyond money. Whether you use it or it uses you, this tool could become a goal in itself for many people. Mark Albion, the author of Making a Life, Making a Living, explains about a study that reveals how the majority of people that become wealthy have done so thanks to being dedicated to an area they enjoy as well as their search for significance. They pursue their true interest, whatever make them passion first, and money will eventually follow. Also, there is talent, and that passion goes above and beyond talent. There are many people in the world with great natural talent who never achieve personal or professional success. Talent is overrated. The reality is that it will take more than talent to be successful. Talent can do nothing without perseverance and effort. And last but not least, a great team. Leaders can be successful with a good team. That is totally true. But having a good team does not guarantee success to a weak and passionate leader. Some leaders often feel that they can achieve any team because they have great teams. As John Maxwell said in the 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership, we attract who we are, not who we want. There is a difference between work and play. For most people, work is what they have to do to earn a living. So someday they can do what they want with their lives. If that is the case, my friends, just don't do it. Choose to do what you love to do, and you never have to work a day in your life. What do you love doing so much that you will do it for free or for many hours? What is your passion? If you don't have this clear yet, write down a list. Is your job something that you have to do or is something that you want to do? What percentage of the time will you consider your job to be enjoyable? Think about it. If the answer is less than 49%, you need a job or a career change. How can you follow your passion? Do you need just to change your job? Or maybe do you need a different position? Or definitely you need to change your career. Are you using your resources such as time, money, and strength on what you are passionate about? If you need to change your path, write down a plan to make a transition. Our desire is to add value to your journey, help you to reflect on this topic, and take action to increase your productivity and leadership. To have more clarity on the next step and better results, having higher levels of achievement. Like this video and remember that you can benefit others if you share this material. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click in the little bell so you can receive a notification when the next video is available. Whether you need to find your real passion, need a job or career change, or write down a plan to make a transition, let us know. In Leading Force, we can help you to achieve it.